Welcome to all of you! Today we're going to explore a food that's as nutritious as it is powerful: spinach. It's a green vegetable that's easy to find a place for on our plates, actually hides a wealth of benefits that are often overlooked. But why is it so highly praised and described as a superfood? Did you know that spinach is packed with essential vitamins such as A, C, and K, as well as essential minerals such as iron, magnesium, and calcium? It's also an impressive source of antioxidants, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which play a key role in protecting our cells, including those of our eyes. These compounds not only protect our bodies against aging and chronic disease, but they are also invaluable for preserving our visual health. By eating spinach regularly, you have a solid basis for good general health, but also for healthy eyes. In this video, we're going to discover together how spinach can transform not only our overall health, but also our vision. So stay with us until the end. You'll be amazed at all the benefits this simple green legume has to offer, and why it should occupy a special place in your daily diet. Spinach is rich in vitamin K, essential for bone health. Vitamin K helps with the absorption of calcium, an essential mineral for strong bones. Spinach also contains calcium and magnesium, helping to prevent osteoporosis and reduce the risk of fractures. Thanks to antioxidants such as flavonoids, spinach helps maintain a healthy heart. It also contains natural nitrates, which cause blood vessels to dilate, particularly blood pressure. Spinach therefore helps to prevent cardiovascular disease, in particular the risk of heart attacks and high blood pressure. Vitamin C, present in spinach, is a powerful antioxidant that boosts the immune system. It stimulates the production of white blood cells, the immune system cells that fight infection. Spinach also contains vitamin A, essential for healthy mucous membranes and skin, forming a first barrier against pathogens. Spinach is rich in iron, a mineral that plays a crucial role in transporting oxygen in the blood. This process helps combat fatigue and maintain high energy levels. By eating spinach, you support the production of red blood cells, which are essential for good oxygenation of the muscles and sustained energy throughout the day. Thanks to its magnesium and fiber content, spinach helps regulate blood sugar levels. Magnesium helps improve insulin sensitivity, contributing to better blood sugar management. Spinach can therefore be beneficial for people with diabetes or those seeking to prevent blood sugar photos. The high fiber content of spinach promotes good intestinal transit and helps prevent constipation. This fiber also supports a healthy microbiota, i.e., all the good bacteria in our intestines. This promotes better digestion and absorbs nutrients more efficiently, contributing to overall digestive health. The vitamins A and C found in spinach are essential for healthy skin. Vitamin A helps repair skin tissue, while vitamin C stimulates the production of collagen, which keeps skin firm and elastic. These two nutrients together help prevent premature aging and maintain radiant skin. Spinach contains potassium and magnesium, which help to eliminate toxins. These minerals work together to regulate the balance of fluids in the body, helping the rains to eliminate waste. What's more, spinach is rich in chlorophyll, which has detoxifying properties for the liver. Spinach contains antioxidants such as lutein and beta-carotene, which protect brain cells from oxidative damage. It also contains vitamin K, essential for cognitive function, and folates, which support the functioning of neurotransmitters. Spinach can therefore help prevent age-related cognitive decline. Spinach is low in calories but high in fiber, making it an excellent choice for weight management. Fiber makes you feel full, helping to avoid snacking and maintain a reasonable calorie intake. What's more, spinach is packed with essential nutrients, without adding excess fat or calories. Before continuing, I have something to ask you. If you like this content so far, click on the like button. And if you're new here, Subscribe to the channel to help us reach 1,000 subscribers. Thanks for your support. Moving on. Let's move on to the benefits spinach has to offer specifically for visual health. These benefits go beyond simple protection and actively contribute to improving our vision. Spinach is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that are essential for eye health. These compounds are concentrated in the retina and act as a protective barrier against age-related macular degeneration, AMD, a condition that can lead to the loss of central vision. By eating spinach regularly, you can help protect your eyes from this problem. The antioxidants present in spinach, particularly vitamin C, lutein, and zeaxanthin, eliminate free radicals to prevent the formation of cataracts. These nutrients protect the lens of the eye from oxidative damage, which can lead to progressive opacification, including the risk of developing cataracts. Spinach is rich in vitamin A, essential for keeping the eyes well hydrated. Vitamin A supports tear production, particularly the symptoms of dry eyes. For those who spend a lot of time in front of screens or in dry environments, spinach can provide natural relief. The vitamin A contained in spinach is also crucial for night vision. It helps produce the pigments needed to see in low light conditions. By eating spinach, you are helping to improve your ability to see at night or in dark environments. The lutein and zeaxanthin in spinach act as a natural filter for the eyes, blocking some of the harmful blue light emitted by screens and other artificial sources. By adding spinach to your diet, you help your eyes to protect themselves better against the harmful effects of this light, which can lead to eye fatigue. Spinach contains antioxidants and natural anti-inflammatories, which help to reduce eye inflammation. This is particularly beneficial for people suffering from conjunctivitis or frequent eye irritation. Spinach provides nutrients, which help the eyes to regenerate more quickly. Spinach contains vitamins and minerals that contribute to cell regeneration, including eye cells. Vitamin C, present in large quantities in spinach, is particularly important for repairing tissues and reduce cellular damage caused by oxidative stress. Spinach is made up largely of water, which naturally contributes to eye hydration. By maintaining an adequate level of hydration, spinach helps to prevent dry, tired eyes, especially for those who live in dry climates or spend a lot of time in air-conditioned environments. Vitamin A present in spinach also plays a role in color differentiation. By eating spinach, you support your eye's ability to perceive colors more clearly and distinctly, which improves the overall quality of vision. The nutrients in spinach, particularly the B vitamins, lutein and zeaxanthin, help to reduce eye fatigue caused by prolonged exposure to screens or reading. These elements work together to revitalize the eyes and reduce the effects of fatigue, which is particularly useful for people who spend a lot of time in visual concentration. Although spinach has many benefits for eye health, it's important to remember that it's not a substitute for medical advice. If you experience visual problems such as blurred vision, persistent eye pain, or excessive fatigue, consulting a specialist is crucial. Regular medical checkups can detect potential problems and take effective action to preserve your visual health. Spinach is much more than just a vegetable. It's a real source of well-being for your body and your eyes. Incorporating this superfood into your regular diet can transform your day-to-day health. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe for more eye health tips, and share this video with your friends and family. Find out more about visual health and discover other tips for protecting your eyes. Visit christianvisioncare.com. You'll find a collection of ebooks and detailed articles to help you make the right choices for your eyes. Do you eat spinach regularly? Have you ever heard of its benefits for your eyes? Tell me in the comments. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Take care of your eyes protect them naturally, and I look forward to hearing more from you soon about Christian vision care.